Hey, I'm Caleb. This week's going to be really short. I just want to say I hope you're having a blessed holiday season so far and enjoying Thanksgiving, and let you know about some discounts. I'm jumping on the Black Friday, Cyber Monday bandwagon and offering some big discounts, but they're available today through Monday, Cyber Monday until midnight. So I have a bunch of cutting boards left on my site. All the epoxy boards are gone. I'm sorry. But I have quite a few cutting boards. Pictures of all of them are on my site. I've got tons of these. These are pretty inexpensive, and I offer free shipping and 25% off any of my cutting boards with the code THANKS25. Also, I have a bunch of plans available on my site. All of my plans are 40% off using code PLANS40. If you like giveaways, this is this month's Patreon giveaway, and it's not too late to jump into the Patreon contest. The question for November, I think, was gift recommendations to make for people in your woodshop. And if I pick your answer, I'm going to send this to you. So there's that. Also, last week I did a gift guide for woodworkers. So if you have a woodworker in your life, or you are a woodworker and you want to give people ideas of what to get you, check that video out. And in the description of that video, I have discount codes for Total Boat, Starbond, Epoxy, DFM Toolworks. Also, I've changed my brand colors a little bit. You probably noticed I've gone to the blue shirts, and the merch shelf down below, I've updated that. So all my offerings are in blue. You can still order black as well if you prefer black. But if you use code NOV10, you'll get 10% off all those. And if you like making gifts for people in your shop and you want some ideas for quick gifts, I've teamed up with Rick from Woodwork Life, and we're doing the 12 builds or 12 gifts. I don't know if we've settled on a name actually, but together we're going to put out 12 videos of gifts before Christmas that you can make in your wood shop of fairly simple projects. So make sure you go subscribe to him. And also, if you haven't hit the bell on my channel, make sure you hit the bell so you get notified when those come out. We'll be cranking them out as we can through December. Anyway, until next time, make time to make something, and happy holidays.